speaking of aces, we have Cici Rondina, who's been making a name for herself for the past 5 years, beach volleyball, and now here in UAAP volleyball. Do you think she has a high chance of winning the MVP for the season, Phil?
Oh. Too early to mention, pero of course, kung sino man MVP, they deserve it. At Cici Rondina can be a contender sa MVP position kasi you can see how she brings her team at how she leads the team in every game, na makikita mo yung intensity, yung fire na sa kanya. At nadadala niya, nasa-spread niya yung intensity and fire nun sa teammates niya, which is a really big help. And yung MVP nga, most valuable player, napupunta yun sa player na deserving, na alam ng mga tao na kaya niyang dalhin yung buong team, yung leadership nandun.
Do you agree with that, Paning?
Actually,
what else has Cici have to offer or has been offering?
She's actually a very good leader. Na yesterday during her interview, may sinabi siya na tumatak sa isip ko, na parang sinabi niya sa mga teammates niya, nakapit lang sa mga games natin, tatrabahuhin natin to isa-isa, tulong-tulong tayo para ma-reach natin yung goal natin na makapasok sa semis. And at the same time, makuha nila yung second place position para sa twice to beat advantage. So nakita naman natin yesterday yung tulong niya and yung presence niya as a leader, kasi sobrang parang die for the ball.
Yes.
Na kahit gaano kahirap na depensa nandyan, na coverage nandyan, as in, she will die for it to save for the ball. And at the same time, pag binabatuan siya ng set para makapalo, may kita mo na eager siya talaga. Gusto niya pakita na papatay niya yung bola, and at the same time, mag-score siya, and may kita mo na she got 20 points.
Yes.
So, ang laking bagay nun para sa team nila.